you guys enjoyed the video. So if you're ever in upstate New York, you have got to check out Kaaterskill Falls. I want to say that's how you pronounce it, is Kaaterskill. I could be completely wrong though, so if I'm butchering that, definitely leave a comment on how it's supposed to be pronounced, especially if you live in New York and there's a different way of pronouncing it. But anyway, this is a very, very short hike. It's pretty much all downhill all the way to the waterfall. So that means when you come back, you are going all uphill with a lot of stairs. There are 2 viewing points. So when you get to the trailhead, you can actually view the falls from the top, which you can only see the upper portion of the falls going through the trees. You can't see a lot, but the falls going through the trees, it looks pretty awesome. Once you get down to the bottom of the falls, the view is insane. The video, pictures, none of it does it justice. You have to be there, you have to experience it, you have to get the smell, the wind, like the trees. You got to get everything to experience how awesome that waterfall is and how big it really is. Also at the end of the video, you can see that you can walk up in between both falls. So there's definitely a lot to do. Definitely make sure your kids are with you because it is slippery. I also think we lucked out because there was not a lot of people when we went. So again, if you're in the upstate New York, definitely check out this waterfall. It is a waterfall you do not want to miss. We did not have to pay an entrance fee to get in. We drove right to the trailhead, hiked down to the falls, hiked right back up, and headed on our way. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.